Greetings, sales development representatives. Welcome to the Wordsmith's workshop, where we weave words into powerful messages. Today, we embark on a quest to craft personalized messages using the magic of social media. These platforms are not just tools for sharing and connecting. They are treasure troves of information, waiting to be discovered. Let's delve into each one. Facebook, a realm where people share their lives. Look for posts about hobbies, interests, and activities. Perhaps your prospect is a fan of hiking, or they love cooking. These are clues to crafting your message. LinkedIn, the professional's fortress. Here, look for clues in their job description, skills, and endorsements. But don't overlook the interests section. It can reveal hobbies and passions that resonate on a personal level. Twitter, the land of brief thoughts and trending topics. Pay attention to what your prospect tweets about, who they follow, and what they retweet. These can hint at their interests and hobbies. Instagram, the kingdom of visuals. Photos and captions can reveal a lot about a person's hobbies. Maybe they're into photography, or they love traveling. Use these insights to craft your message. Strava, the haven for athletes. If your prospect is an active user, they might be a fitness enthusiast or a competitive runner. Use this information to draw parallels between their hobby and your product. Once you've gathered these clues, it's time to craft your message. Let's say your prospect is an avid hiker. You might compare the durability of your product to the resilience needed to conquer challenging trails. Here's an example. As a fellow hiker, I know the importance of reliable gear. Our product, like a trusty pair of hiking boots, is designed to withstand the toughest conditions and help you reach your goals. Remember, the key is to make your message personal and relevant. Show your prospect that you understand their hobby and can relate it to what you're offering. This is the art of crafting unique and effective messages. Until next time, happy prospecting.